Chapter 5 India Physical and Political Divisions. Geographically, India is a vast country. In different parts of the country, we find different kinds of landforms. It is the seventh largest and most popular democratic country in the world. India is located in the southern part of the continent Asia. India is surrounded by the Arabian Sea to the west, the Bay of Bengal to the east, the Indian Ocean to the south, and the great Himalayan ranges in the north. India Physical Divisions. India is divided into 6 physical divisions. These are the Northern Mountains, the Northern Plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Southern Plateau, the Coastal Plains, the Island Regions. The Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains include the Himalayan and the Karakoram mountain ranges. The Himalayan range is the highest mountain range in the world. Many peaks are covered with snow all through the year. The Himalayas form a natural boundary between India and China. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayas. Mount K2 is the second highest peak in the Himalayas. Are you aware? Malwat Purna, a tribal girl from India, is the youngest woman in the world to climb Mount Everest. She was just 13 years old when she climbed. The Northern Plains. The Northern Plains occupy a greater part of northern India. They lie between the Himalayas and the southern peninsula. This area is also known as the Gangetic Plain. Many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Ravi, and Satluj originate from the Himalayas. These are perennial rivers that flow through the northern plains and make them fertile. The plains are very densely populated. Many well-known towns and cities are situated along the banks of the rivers that flow through this region. The plains are usually very hot in summer and cold in winter. The Great Indian Desert. A desert is a large area of land covered with sand. Strong winds carry a large amount of sand with them. The Great Indian Desert, or the Thar Desert as it is called, lies in the northwestern part of India. Hardly any crops or trees are found in the Thar Desert. Camel is the only means of transport found in deserts. Camel is called the ship of the desert. The Southern Plateau. The part of the land that is little higher than the surrounding parts but has a flat surface is called a plateau. The Southern Plateau covers a large part of the country. It is triangular in shape. It is broad towards the north and narrowed down as we go southwards. It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. It covers a large part of the Indian peninsula. The other 2 plateaus of India are the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. These plateaus are made of hard volcanic rocks and have large deposits of minerals. Coal, iron ore, limestone, etc. are some minerals found here. Are you aware? The highest plateau in India is the Ladakh Plateau in the Union Territory of Ladakh. The Coastal Plains. A coastal plain is an area of flat, low-lying land next to a sea or an ocean. There are 2 coastal plains, Eastern Coastal Plains and Western Coastal Plains. India has a long coastline. These plains are stretched for about 6,000 km of the mainland. They are separated by each other by the Deccan Plateau, but they meet each other at Kanyakumari. The land in this region is very fertile and the climate is neither too hot nor too cold. The Island Regions. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. The Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the 2 groups of islands of India. Lakshadweep lies in the Arabian Sea and Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. India's neighbors. India as a subcontinent is surrounded by some countries which are known as its neighbors. India shares its boundaries with many countries. Bangladesh and Myanmar lie to its east. Sri Lanka and Maldives are to the south of India. India. Political divisions. Pakistan and Afghanistan are India's neighbors in the west. China, Nepal and Bhutan lie to the north of our country. The Constitution of India is the governing authority of the 28 states and 8 union territories, collectively called the Republic of India. It is difficult for the central government to look after the law and order in each part of the country. For governing such a big country, the government has been formed at 2 levels. The government at the central level is called the central government, and the government at the state level is called the state government. The central government consists of the President, the Prime Minister, and the Council of Ministers. Each state has a government of its own which consists of the Governor, the Chief Minister, and other ministers. Some area of the country are not included in any of the 28 states and are known as Union Territories. Union Territories, UT, are administered by the central government. There are 8 Union Territories in India. 3 Union Territories, the National Capital Territory and City of Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir and Puducherry have their own legislature. The largest state in India is Rajasthan, while Goa is the smallest state. Among the Union Territories, Andaman and Nicobar is the largest and Lakshadweep is the smallest. Variety of land surface, physical feature and climate affect the eating habits of people and also determine where they choose to live and work. Are you aware? 7 states of the Northeast are called the Seven Sisters. These are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. The following is the complete list of states and the Union Territories of India with their capitals. List of states and Union Territories of India. State capital: Assam, Dispur; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Gujarat, Chandigarh; Goa, Panji; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bangalore; Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Manipur, Imphal; Mizoram, Aizawl; Meghalaya, Shillong; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tripura, Agartala; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; West Bengal, Kolkata. Union Territory Capital: Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair; Chandigarh, Chandigarh; Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Daman; Lakshadweep, Kavaratti; National Capital Territory of Delhi, Delhi; Puducherry, Puducherry; Ladakh, Leh in summer, Kargil in winter; Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar in summer, Jammu in winter. Things I have learned. India has 6 physical divisions. The Thar Desert covers the northwestern part of India. The coastal plain comprises the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep are the 2 main island groups of India. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India.